You may have heard of lactose intolerance, but do you know what it is? Lactose intolerance is a condition in which people have digestive symptoms such as bloating, diarrhea, and gas after eating or drinking milk or milk products. Dr. Lily Tran of Advanced Gastroenterology and Surgery Associates explains the symptoms and treatments for lactose intolerance.
The table sugar is called sucrose. Fruit sugar is called fructose. The sugar molecule in the milk product is called lactose. And it depends. It's actually a very interesting condition. In Asians, as Vietnamese, for example, and African American and blacks, is that they can develop lactose malabsorption as they age. And when that happens, the molecule is not absorbed, so it travels through the 22 feet of the small bowel. And then along with that, it will pull the fluids along because of the osmotic pressure. So it causes diarrhea. Bacteria will ferment on these glucose and then causes the body to have bloating and gas. So therefore it's very uncomfortable, and as the bloating increases, then backup pressure, then you feel nausea and wanting to throw up and so forth. So patients will come and they will say, well, I have these certain symptoms, bloating, gas, I may have, or diarrhea or belching. The primary care physicians will either try a patient on medication, for example, acid reflux can cause very similar symptom without the diarrhea, can cause bloating and gas and belching and abdominal pain. And if the patients return to them and say, no, we're not better, then that's when they send out to the subspecialist. However, there are also physicians out there who say, well, you have symptoms, let's get you in. If nothing else, for screening purposes, ruling out other conditions, especially when GI symptoms, when you have them, they're very hard to differentiate one condition from another because you can have very similar symptoms for different conditions.
For more information on lactose intolerance as well as contact information for AGSA, please click the Lactose Intolerance story link on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.